Hello my angels, my dears, this is Angel and welcome back to another video. Today we're making marshmallows and this is part 1 of a two-parter. Why don't you stay to the very end and see exactly what I mean by that. Alright, now let's get back to the video. oiling the spatula with canola oil makes it a little easier to spread. Here I'm using the spoon when I'm changing to the spatula as quickly as I can. It spreads a little bit more easy. Here I'm not using an oil spatula, but if you use one that's oil, it'll be a little bit more easy. Alright, back to the video. Okay, you've reached the end of part 1, and part 2 starts with the next video. Come back and see how I finish off the marshmallows. Thank you so much for staying to the very end of this video. Be sure to come back on the next video, that's Thursday, 2 days from now, and see how I finish off this recipe. And if you're not a subscriber of mine, why don't you consider subscribing? Give me a like, that's a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. If you are a subscriber, I'd like to say thank you again for returning. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new videos. Alright, I'll let you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings and much favor until we meet again.